Hello children, welcome back. I'm doing SSC important questions. Probability. In probability 2 marks I have completed. Now I'm doing 4 marks sums. So the first one is a box contains four red balls, 5 green balls and p white balls and p white balls. If the probability of randomly picked ball from the box to be red ball is 1 by 3, then find the number of white balls. This is the problem. There is a box which contains 4 red balls, 5 green balls and some white balls. We don't know what is that. The number is given as P. If the probability of randomly picked ball from the box to be red ball and the probability is 1 by 3, means when they have picked they got red balls. What is the probability of getting red ball? 1 by 3. Then your question is you have to find out how many white balls are there. So total number of balls is equal to 4 plus 5 plus p, that is equal to 9 plus p. Then probability of getting a red ball. Let us see. Probability of getting red ball. Number of red balls. How many are there? Number of red balls? 4. So what is the probability number of favorably outcomes? These are number of favorable outcomes is equal to 4. This is a 9 plus p means number of possible outcomes is equal to 9 plus p. So probability of getting red, that is event is 4 by 9 plus p. According to problem, we have got it as 4 by 9 plus p, but 4 by 9 plus p is equal to probability is given as 1 by 3. So 4 by 9 plus 3 is 1 by 3 means 9 plus p is equal to 12, cross multiplication. So what is p? 12 minus 9, that is 3. So number of white balls is equal to 3. This is the answer. Let's copy it. This is the first 4 marks sum. Now Second sum. A bag contains balls. A bag contains balls which are numbered from 1 to 50. A ball is drawn. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. From the bag, the probability that it bears a two-digit multiple of 7. So here you should have this question. This is missing, I think. Find the probability that it bears two-digit multiples of 7. So what are the number of balls that are there? Number of balls are 50. That means number of possible outcomes is 50. Now, what is that randomly if you pick probability that it has two-digit multiples of 7. So, probability of two-digit multiples of 7. So, let us write a sample space. If you write sample space, your problem becomes easy, children. So, what are multiples of 7 from 1 to 50? It is 7, and then two-digit they said, no? Two-digit they said. So, 7 you cannot take because 7 is a single digit. Then 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 sevens are 49. That's all. 7 8 are 56. 56 is more than 50. So you can write only up to this. So what are the number of elements in this S set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So these are all 6. This means what? What are the 6? Number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes are 6. So what do you want? You want P of E, that is two-digit red balls, two-digit multiples of two digits of 7. So P of E is 6 by 50. 6 by 50, 2 threes are 225s are. So 3 by 24, 5 is the answer. Please copy it, children. Now, third. A bag contains seven red, 5 white and 6 black. 5 white and 6 black balls. A ball is drawn from the bag. A ball is drawn from the bag at random. Find the probability that the ball drawn is not black. The ball drawn is not black. This is the question. Means 7 red balls are there, 5 white balls are there, 6 black balls are there. When a ball is taken out from the bag, you should have the probability of getting balls which are not black. So total number of balls is nothing but 7 red balls are there, plus 5 white balls are there, plus 6 black. Total how much? 7 plus 5, 12, plus 6, 18 balls are there totally. Okay. Now this means what? Number of possible outcomes is equal to 18. Now we need to have probability of getting not a black ball. Not a black ball means then what are the number of balls here? What you have to do? You have to take 7 red plus 5 white. You are not supposed to take a black ball. This is how much? 12. So, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 12. Now you want P of E. What is P of E? Favorable outcomes by possible outcomes. So 6 2s are 6 3s are 2 by 3 is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now we will see fourth one. What is the probability what is the probability of a number picked from first 20 natural numbers. First 20 natural numbers. First 20 natural numbers is even composite number. This is the question. So, what are total number of total number? So, they are the numbers. Total numbers are 20. That means number of possible outcomes Number of possible outcomes are 20. Now you want probability of getting, what is that? Natural number, even composite numbers. So let us write sample space for it. Sample space. What are they? You have got numbers 1 to 20 and even composite numbers. Even numbers, when you take 2, 2 is only even prime number. Remaining all even numbers are composite numbers. So you will be writing 2, 2 you cannot write because 2 is even prime number. So you should write from 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So, what are n of s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, totally they are 9. So, this means what? Number of favorable outcomes is equal to 9. So, what is P of event that they have asked? 9 by 20. This itself is the answer. You cannot simplify it, children. So, please copy it. Now, fifth one. From the following data, find the probability of selecting B blood group student. B blood group student. The problem, you have got blood group here and number of students. So, what are the blood groups? A, B, AB and O. A blood group are 10. B blood group are 13. AB blood group 12 and O blood group 5. So from the following data, find the probability of selecting B blood group students, only B. So number of students, how many are there? Here 10, 23, 23, 5, 28, 38, 40. Totally number of students are 40. So this means number of possible outcomes are 40. So number of students, B blood group students, I will write. Number of B blood group students. B blood group students. How many are there? 13. So, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 13. So, What is P of E? 13 by 40. This is the answer, children, of it. Next, sixth sum. One card is selected. One card is selected. From a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a red card with the prime number. So, total number of cards are 52. So, number of possible outcomes are 52. Now, the question is probability of getting a red card with prime number. So, let us see sample space. In this sample space, you know that a card contains 4 shapes. Club is there, and you have diamond, you have heart. In that, spade is there. Out of this, heart and diamonds are red. So, in that heart and diamonds, in the cards, you have got A, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then J, K, Q. Jack, King, Queen. So here he is asking only the numbers. So we are going to talk about the numbers from 2 to 10. So 2 to 10, what are the colors you have got? Diamond 2, diamond 3, diamond 4, diamond 5, diamond 6, diamond 7, diamond 8, diamond 9, and diamond 10. These are all red color diamond cards. And you have got red color heart cards. Heart 2 and heart 3 and heart 4 and heart 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total number of cards. Out of this, what they are having? Prime numbers they are having. So number of prime cards. Number of prime cards. How many you are getting? Prime number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what else? We have only 4. So 4 here, 4 here. Total 8 prime cards are there. So 8 prime numbers are there means How many we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. 4 prime cards are there. 4 in this and 4 in this. Totally, you are having 8 prime cards. Now, that means what? Number of favorable outcomes are 8. So, what is P of E? P of E is 8 by 52. So, 8 by 52, 4 2s are, 4 1s are, 4 3s are. 2 by 13 is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, seventh one, there are 5 red balls, 4 green balls, and 6 yellow balls in a box. If a ball is selected at random, if a ball is selected at random, what is the probability of getting? What is the probability of getting what ball they said? A yellow ball. A yellow ball. What is the probability of getting yellow ball? So, what are the number of balls given here? 5 red plus 4 green plus 6 yellow. So, we will be writing it as a total number of balls. Total number of balls are nothing but 5 plus 4. 9 or 6 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 15. This means what? Number of possible outcomes is equal to 15. Now, you want a probability of getting a yellow ball. This is the question. So, how many number of yellow balls are there? Number of yellow balls are how many you have got? 6. So, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 6. Therefore, what is P of E? 6 by 15. 3 2s are, 3 5s are. So, 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is the answer for it, children. Number of balls which are yellow. How many yellow balls are there? 6 balls are there. Write down this, children. Now the same question, you have got another question. probability of getting not a yellow ball. Not a yellow ball means number of balls are yellow. Yellow balls are 6. Now, you need to find out probability of getting not a yellow ball. The probability here is getting not a yellow ball. This is, I should take it as 8th sum, children. This is 8th problem. Same problem with first one we have got yellow ball with not an yellow ball. So number of yellow balls are 6. So number of not yellow balls. Number of not yellow balls are from 15, that is total number of balls, you have to remove 6. So how much you are getting? 9. So what is probability of event? 9 by 15, that is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 is the answer, children. Copy it. This is 8th problem. Now let us see the next one, children. 9th one. When a card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52, find the probability of not getting a red-faced cards. So first you write total number of cards are 52. So number of possible outcomes is 52. Now let us first write red-faced cards. Red-faced cards means faced cards are what, children? Faced cards are J, K, Q. So how many are there red colors? Red colors we have got, what are they? Red-faced cards. For this let me write sample space. Sample space. Sample space is red-faced means diamond J, diamond K, diamond Q, and then heart J, heart K, heart Q. So N of S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the question is what? Not getting a red-faced card. So not getting a red-faced card. What is this? From 52, you have to subtract 6. So you are getting 46. Now, number of favorable outcomes. How many are there? Number of favorable outcomes? 46. So what is P of E? It is nothing but 46 by 52. So 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are, 2 6s are. 23, 2 2s are, 2 6s are. 23 by 26 is the answer. So please write down this, children. Now please copy it. Next sum. Tenth sum. There are 12 red balls. There are 12 red balls, 18 blue balls, and 6 white balls. 6 white balls. in a box. In a box. What? When a ball is drawn at random, when a ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability of getting? What is the probability? What is the probability of getting a red ball? This is the question. So, what are the total number of balls? Total number of balls, it has got 12 red balls plus 18 blue balls plus 6 white balls. So totally how much you are getting? This is 30 and 6, 36 you are getting. So number of possible outcomes is equal to 36. Now the question is, when a ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability of getting red ball? This means number of red balls. How many are there number of red balls? You have got 12. So the question is, what is the probability of getting a red ball? So please very carefully read. If they said not, we are not supposed to take a red ball. But here they said red. So number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes are 12. So what is P of E? 12 by 36. 1 by number of favorable 1 by 3. This is the answer, children. Number of getting red ball. Now, do you have another problem of not getting a red ball? See, earlier also you have got in the same way. So, probability of not getting a red ball. Not getting a red ball means here favorable events, number of red balls are 12. So, number of not red balls. What are number of not red balls? From 36 you have to remove 12. So how much you are getting? 4 and 2. 24. So what is P of E? 24 by 36. 12 twos are 12 threes are 2 by 3 is the answer for this problem, children. This is 11th problem. Now we will be going to the other problem. Please copy it. Now, next one, 12th one. 9 cards numbered 1 to 30 are put in a bag. Are put in a bag. If a card is drawn randomly, randomly. Find the probability that the drawn card is first bit prime number and second bit a perfect square. So how many number of cards are the number of 1 to 30 cards? Number of cards. How many are there? 30 cards are there. So number of possible outcomes are 30. So let us see the first one. Probability of getting a prime number. So let us write sample space for it. What is sample space? Prime numbers from 1 to 30. You have got 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, after 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 also is not a prime number. Next 29. Next one 30 they said. So what is n of s? You have got n of s you have got as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n of s is 10 means number of favorable outcomes are 10. Therefore, what is P of E? P of E is 10 by 30, that is 1 by 3. This is first bit. So, let us write the second bit. Now, the second bit is probability of getting a perfect square. Perfect square means which the numbers for which you can write a square root. So sample space. What are the sample space? 1 you can get 1 and then 4. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. That's all. 6 6 are 36 is more than this. So n of s is nothing but 1 2 3 4 5. So number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes. How many are there? 5. So what is P of E? 5 by 30. So you have got 1 by 6. This is another answer for this children. So please copy it. We'll go to the next problem. Please copy. And next sum, that is 13th one. In a bag there are 5 red balls, 2 black balls and 3 white balls. If one ball is selected, one ball is selected randomly from the bag, then find the probability of getting, then find the probability of getting first bit a red ball and second bit not a red ball, not a red ball. So you have got total number of balls 5 red plus 2 black plus 3 white. So total how many? 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10. So number of possible outcomes. Number of possible outcomes are 10. So the first one is probability of getting a red ball. So what are number of red balls? Number of red balls are, you have got 5. So number of favorable outcomes is equal to 5. So what is P of E? 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. This is first bit. Now what is second bit? Probability of not getting red ball. So not getting the red ball means what are number of not red balls? Number of not red balls means apart from not red, you have got 2 black plus 3 white. That means total 5. Therefore, number of favorable outcomes are 5. So, what is P of E? 5 favorable outcomes by 10. 1 by 2. This is the answer. Earlier you have got 2 different sums, children, but here you have got 2 together. So please be careful about red ball and not a red ball. Now with this I am concluding my topic, children. Tomorrow in the next class I will be doing the